Shopify. It is no surprise that modern business all over the world are crazy about it. But what is Shopify? Let's dive right into it. Hello everyone, welcome into today's video. This is Shui from Quadque Technologies Limited. So today in our video, we will talk about the awesome features of Shopify. So what is Shopify? Shopify is a platform for managing your e-commerce business and selling product online, offering you a various wide range of e-commerce solution. It will totally revamp your business. With their tools for SEO, logo design, and even data analysis, the possibilities are simply endless. Connecting to your customer has never been this simple and straightforward. Now, the latest surprise for 2022 is you can integrate your Amazon's account with the Shopify accounts. I bet now you're excited. If you want to try this powerful platform for your e-commerce business, we are here to help you from Quadque. Our diverse expert digital marketing team will help you to manage your e-commerce business effectively and efficiently with the help of Shopify. And we will take your every other process, like we will create Shopify account for you, we will help you to create a new Amazon's account if you are not having one, and we will also help you to integrate between these two accounts. And with the help of these two powerful platforms, you can take your business into another level. So what are you waiting for? Let's team up together and do the great things. Just contact with us and assign us the tasks, and we will take care of everything. So that's all was for today's video. Thank you very much for being with us.